Everyone, good afternoon, good evening. We are here at HortPark, the gardening hub here at Alexandra Road, near in our place. So we are here showing you how beautiful this park is with my two darling that they are enjoying walking here. So thank you for tuning to my channel. Thank you for always staying with me. I've been busy for at least 2 weeks because the nature of my job. We move in this place. This nice place is a nice place. So thank you. This is Mix Fan of W. So come on guys, come with me and explore the place. We're going this side. And MJ and Custard showing you around this place. Remember guys, this is a smoke-free park. Are you enjoying, darling? Huh? Wow. Look. Sa Pilipinas ano yan? Oh. Diba? Ayan. Ano yan sa Pilipinas? May magandang house din dito. Come on. This side, this side. This side. Go, go. Move. Good girl. Go. Move, move. Okay. I follow you, darling, where you wanna go. Okay? That is Custard. Exploring the place. Okay. Good girl. Where you wanna go? Show me. I think this side is going home, darling. Okay? Ang ganda ng message. In joy or sadness, flowers are our constant friends. By Osoko Okakora. Pwede kang umupo dito. Upo. Yan. Meron silang ganyan gardening with edibles. Community Garden Festival. We need to check where we're going. Okay, that side is vertical greenery, greenhouse, heart center. Okay, ornamental zone. You are here. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Ganda ng plants, oh. Macetas. Okay. Looks like we are here. Parang may pinasok tayong bahay. Bahay yata ito, Custard. Delikado kung saan-saan tayo nagsusot. Bahay kaya ito, Custard? Bahay? Wait. Oh gosh. Pumunta kami sa place na hindi pwede ang aso. Oh gosh. So we go this place, darling. Okay. Okay, go, darling. Go. Go. Go, darling. Oh, okay. Is it nice place, darling? MJ? MJ? Look at the place. Allowed ang aso dito. Maganda, di ba? Ito ang HortPark sa loob. Hindi pa namin na-explore lahat sa loob-loob. But it's a nice place dito sa pinakabungad. Ayan, si MJ. Don't drink water, MJ. It's not allowed. MJ. 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 Can you smell? Kasi, ay, may mga kwan. Isda. Okay. Go down, go down. Go, 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 go. Go down. Go. Ay, ang gandang maglakad dito sa umaga. Custard. Maganda maglakad dito sa umaga, oh. Ha? Huh? Andun lahat yung kanilang mga tanim. Hindi kami pwedeng pumasok doon dahil meron akong aso. Dito lang sa labas. Pero pwede namin tingnan dito. Ah, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda na ng kanilang mga orchids sa likod at masetas doon sa pinaka-harap. At ito ang aking mga babies. Custard, I told you no lying down. Ito yung tanim ng aking asawa. Meron siyang tanim na ganyan. Ang gaganda ng kulay. Park opening hours is 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. All gates will close at 11 p.m. Ayan. Ito ang pinaka-importante. No plucking of plants. Oh gosh. And when entering the canopy walk to Kentridge Park, hands-on house, playground, Alexandra Techno Park. Hindi ko alam kung makakapunta kami dyan, but we are going to get inside just a few moments. Yan pala ang canopy yan sa loob. Ito ang community in bloom gardens ng Singaporean Plus Places. Talk bird sing song, balik kampo. Oh. Try natin pumasok dito. Looks like it's very interesting. And this is block 50. Uy. Ganda ng place, diba? Look at the place. Oh, it's a dog park. Siguro pag sa daytime, maganda dito. May quotes na naman dito. All gardening is landscape painting. Alexandra Pope. Thank you guys for staying with us. We're going home because it's already 7:30 in the evening. So we need to get going because we are walking a little bit far. Okay? Thank you for tuning in my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is Mixed Fan of W. Nagsasabing, you spread love because God is love. Bye.